Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how we can create a photo cutout animation in Canva. First up, open your Canva and then go to videos. From here, you just need to select on create blank. Then you will need to create from scratch. So basically, you can upload your images here on Canva. You just need to go here on upload section. But in this case, I just actually have this image from these elements. Now, for the first page, I'm going to select this image. And then here, I'm going to drag the corner at the bottom right. Next, click on Add Page. For the second page, I'm going to select this image right over here. Again, going to drag the corner right here and then click on the three dots and duplicate this page. Now add page. For the page 4, I'm going to select this image, right? This image here, and then again, same procedure. Then click or drag on the corner and then duplicate this image. Now add a new page. I'm going to add this image. Again, drag the corner, duplicate page, and finally, I'm going to add the first image right here, and then I'm going to drag the corner. So again, here and drag this corner at the bottom right. And finally, I have these pages. Now the next step that we can do here is go back to this first page right here. And then I'm going to the third page. And then I'm going to add the image from page 4, right? So this one here. And then again, drag the corner, click on edit photo, and then click on video remover. Once done, now go to page 5, select the image from page 6, again drag the corner at the bottom right, and finally video remover. Now just need to wait for a few seconds here. There you have it. And the last one, page 7, going to put this image, drag the corner, and then click edit photo, and then click on the background remover. So as you can see, I've just created this pages. Now the next step, what we're going to do now is go to in between lines or in between slides and add transition. And we're going to use this match and move and click on apply between all pages right here. So transition apply to all pages. Then go to the edit timing, select the timing into 1 second, enable this apply to all pages. So once done, click play and preview. So that's all. That's how you basically create photo cutout animation. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.